Let me know. No? Okay. Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. This is Paulo Ferrando, working for RICOH RCL. So I will try to explain you very briefly the new brand solution that we have, that is RIC. We call RICOH Integrated Collaboration Suite. It's a full suite that we try to cover all the employee journey. So we have, for the meeting, so we have a booking module with a panel. We have a nice Outlook plugin also that is connected to what happens inside of the meeting room, that is the board. We call this all-in-one concept. So you can do mainly 5 things, that is run the calendar, run one tap to join to a meeting, killing all the complexity for the user to do that. Then you can run apps, of course. You can do screencasting, wireless and wired, and we have a very nice whiteboard where you can do a lot of things, for example, drop files that you have. So we have this booking module, we have this a virtual assistant also, we have the meeting, and we have reports. So you can pinch in, pinch out, move, whatever you want to do. Okay, so this is Paulo Ferrando from ISE, and the website is www.ricoh.com. Thank you.